Good morning, dear students. Now we'll do question number 11, number 4. 11 4, see, it is given same like before 1. So this one will consider as our A because xy given, so xy we are not able to consider, we will consider as our A. We will consider this one as our A and this portion is our B. So in between what sign is our minus sign? So we'll do A minus B. So A minus B if we do, then it will be our, see, this one is our positive, this one is our negative, same thing, so will be cancelled and this 2 will add. So if we add 2 by 3 plus our 2 by 3, so it will be our LCM 3 only because denominator same our, so 2 plus 2, that means our 4 by 3 and y there, so y. So 4 by 3 y. Now the given expression, our what will be, this one will be our AQ, minus will be our BQ. So AQ minus BQ. Now AQ minus BQ formula is our A minus B whole cube plus our thrice AB into our A minus B. Now we'll put the values. A minus B just now we got 4 by 3 y and whole cube plus our 3, A value will put here, B value will put here, and A minus B is equal to our this one. Now next line you will see 4 divided by 3 y whole cube. So 4 cube is equal to our 64 and 3 cube is equal to our 27 and y cube is equal to our y cube only. Now see, this 3 and this 3 will be our cancelled. So what will be remain here? Only our 4y. So 4y. And this one is our A plus B into our A minus B. So A plus B into our A minus B is our A square minus B square. So here A is equal to our 1 by 3x and B is equal to our 2 by 3y. So it will be our whole square. Now next line, this one same to same will be our remain. And 4y into this one if we break, this one will be our 1 into 1, 1, 3 2 times 9 and x 2 times will be our x square. Similarly this portion also 2 times is equal to our 4, 9, 3 2 times is equal to our 3 into 3 9. So 9y square. Now we'll multiply this one. First one will be our same to same will be remain this one. Then with this we'll multiply this one. So it will be our 4y because 4y it is our whole number. Down it is our 1 is there. Multiply this one into our 1 by 9 x square. So numerator into numerator if we multiply, so it will be our 4y x square. So 4x square y and 9 into 1 will be our 9 only. Similarly with this will multiply this one. So 4 into 4 will be our 16 and y here 2 times, here our 1 time, so it will be our y cube. Divided by will be our 9 only. From these three numbers you will see what is the common. This our numerator. So all these numbers 64, 4 and 16 is divisible by our 4. So 4 will take common. And down denominator here our 27, 9 it is. So 9 we are able to take common. And another what thing is our common? Here y 3 times. Here 1 time, here our 3 times. So 1 time we are able to take common. So we will take 1 y as our common. So if we take from this group 4 by 9y, then what will be remain? This one divided by 4. So 4 into 16 will be our 64 and 9 divided by our 27 divided by our 9 3 times. So it will be our remain 3 and from 3y 1y will take common, so will be remain our 2y. Similarly this one also from here, see 4 already we took common and 9 also will take common. So what is remain here our, and y also took common, so only remain our x square. And here this one if we divide this our what name 16 by our 4, so it will be our 4 only. And y here 3 times, 1 time we took common, so 2 times remain. And down 9 already took common, that means denominator nothing remain here, so it will be our 4y square. Now from here see like terms, which one is our like term? This one and this one is our like term. So these two will do their work. 16 divided by 3y square minus our 4y square. So if we take LCM will be our 3. So 16y square minus will be our 3 into 4, 12y square. Now 16 minus 12 is equal to our 4 and divided by our 3y square plus our x square. So here this one is our finished. Now next number we will do. Now we will start our question number 12. Find the value of this line if our a is equal to our 4. So directly if we put a is equal to our 4 and q will give, then also we will get, but it will be little lengthy process will be. But if we apply formula it will be easy for us. Let's see we are able to apply formula or not, because here looking this one is we are able to apply formula. If we break this one a q, this one will minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus will be minus will be our bq. So let's see. So 27aq we are able to write 3a whole cube minus our 3 and a already we got 3a, this one a will be our here 3a, and with what number if we multiply these two it will be our 135. So see 3 square means our 9 and a square means our a square only into our 3. So it will be our 27 a square. And what remain? Now 27 a square already we got. Now 135 if we divide by our 27. So it will be our 5 times. 5 into 27 is equal to our 135. So b will be our 5. Next plus 3, a already we got 3a, b now we got 5, so 5 square. Minus will be our b cube, so 5 cube. 5 cube means our 125. But here it is our given minus 135. That means another minus 10 we need to give. That time it will be our minus 135. So extra this one we have given. From here to here this one is our formula became a minus b whole cube. So a is equal to our 3a minus our b is equal to our 5. So whole cube minus our 10. Now we'll put the values of a. A's value is equal to our what given 4. So 3 into will be our 4 minus 5 whole cube. So 3 into 4 is equal to our 12 minus 5 whole cube minus our 10. Now see 12 minus 5 is equal to our 7. So cube is there, so cube minus 10. And 7 cube is equal to our 343 minus our 10. And 343 minus 10 is equal to our 333. Now question number 13. Expand by applying the a plus b whole cube formula. So it is given number 3. Number 1 and number 2 you are able to do this one. So you will do this one. Now I will do number 3 one. Number 3 it is given our a by b plus b by c plus our c by a whole cube. Directly this formula we know, a plus b plus c whole cube formula we know. But in question it is mention it is our we need to apply a plus b whole cube formula we need to apply. So we'll break this one as our first 2 as our a, this 2 is our a and this one is our b. So in bracket we'll write this 2, first 2 1 is our a and this one is our b and whole cube. Now together this one is our a. So a plus b whole cube formula, our a cube plus our thrice a square b plus our 3a b square plus our b cube. Now again this one is our a plus b whole cube formula will apply here. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus our b cube. Now this portion you will see. This one is our a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus twice ab plus our b square into our this portion. Then this one will be our same to same will be remain because here we are not able to apply any formula. And this one also will be same to same will be remain. Now see, from here we got what we got from this line. So a cube a plus a divided by b whole cube, and this one is our a square a by b whole square, that means a 2 times, b also our 2 times into our b by c plus our 3 into a by b into our b square into our c, b by c whole square. So b 2 times, c 2 times, and b this one our b by c whole cube. So same to same will be remain. This one will be our this line will see here b will be our cancelled and a by c, and this one will be our b square by c square into our this one c by a. Similarly this one same to same will be our remain here. Very easy, but it is lengthy maths. Now next line you will see from here what is our common factor. This one we are able to cut. So here b we are able to cut. So what will be remain here down our bc, and top will be remain our 3a square, a 2 times, so 3a square. Similarly here b will be our cancel. So what will be remain top our 3a and 2b, so 3ab divided by our c 2 times, so c square, and b by c whole cube. And this one will be our 3 into, if we multiply these two, so it will be our 3c divided by our a, and same thing this one a square divided by b square plus our 2 into a will be our 2a divided by our c plus our b square by c square. And with this number we will multiply this one, so it will be our 3a c square divided by will be our a square b. Now with this one multiply, so 3b c square divided by will be our a square c, and this one same to same will be remain. Now we will go on in our next line. Next line you will see this one will be our a cube divided by our b cube, 3a square, this same to same will be remain. This one also same to same remain. This one will be our b cube divided by our c cube. This one multiply this one, so it will be our 3a square. This one if we multiply these two, if we multiply this one you will see this one will be our 3c into our a square. If we multiply, so it will be our 3a square c divided by this one a b square. Again this one will multiply with this number, will multiply this one, so it will be our 3 into 2 will be our 6 into will be our 6ac, so 6ac divided by will be our a into c ac. With this number will multiply this one, So 3 into b square, 3c into b square will be our 3b square c divided by our a into c square, so ac square, and this one same to same will be remain. Here see another thing is there, this line you nicely see 3ac square, 3ac square divided by our a square b, that means our a here 2 times, here our 1 time, so this one and this one 1 time will be cancelled, so down will be remain our only 1 time. So this one will be our 3, here will be our c square, 3c square divided by will be our ab. Similarly here our c here 2 times, there here 1 time, so 1 time will be cancelled, so will be remain our 3bc divided by will be our only a square, and this one will be our cq and this one 3a square, this one first one here, this one 3a square bc we have written. Now according to the power we will arrange this one, aq divided by bq, then we will write our bq divided by our cq, then our cq divided by our aq, then our a square we will write 3a square divided by our bc, then b square divided by our 3b square divided by our ac, then our 3c square divided by our 3c square divided by our ab, so we have written here. Then our next one will be write bc, because down it is our a square, so 3bc divided by our a square, then our b square where down, see this one, so here will be our 3ac divided by our b square, this one b square, then will be our c square, then will be our last remain our this one 6, because here ac will be our cancel, so will be remain our 6 only. So this exercise our 4.a is finished. If you have any confusion you will consult with me. Thank you, have a nice day.